We're going to be putting together this workbench from Harbor Freight, $100. Let's see how nice of a workbench it gives us. What I can say about this workbench is it is not easy to put together. It took me a lot of tries, and you'll actually see me actually unscrewing a lot of the frame and actually having to re-screw it in. It really is not labeled very well, and all the parts are just kind of in a big bag. Another thing that I mention also later in the video is you kind of have to have skinny fingers to get some certain bolts into certain places. Between that, you have to have some patience. Again, it's $100. It's not going to be the highest quality thing in the world, and it's not going to be the easiest instructions to follow in the world. But at the end of the day, it is a very good quality, heavy-duty workbench. From start to finish, it did take me about 4 hours to put together, and again, that's because I really had to take apart several parts of it several times. So if you had just kind of done it the right way the first time, it probably would have taken me maybe 2 hours. Alright guys, so we are nearing completion of the Harbor Freight Workbench, and I can just say it does look great. It has not been easy, I will say that. The directions are okay, but the stuff's just not labeled very well. There's 3 different sets of screws, and they're of different lengths and different thicknesses, and like in the instruction manual, it really doesn't tell you specifically which one is which. But I will say, having a good socket set is absolutely critical to putting this together, because there are some spots, like for example, attaching the top, the main workbench surface, putting it in here is pretty easy, but accessing the bottom to put the nut and the washer is like damn impossible. Like if you have any kind of a decent sized hand, like you have to, like this is the screw right here. Like I have little tiny girly hands, so like I can get my hand up in here, but like for any guy that has any decent sized hands, like it's gonna be really difficult. Like I said, unless you have something like this to actually get up under there and put the nut in. So that's I just wanted to kind of share that with you. So like I said, we're almost done. All we have to do is put the top shelf, the bottom shelf, and then put the light under here. But other than that, we are pretty much good. I mean, for $100, I mean, this thing looks awesome. For $100, you really can't beat it. Like I said, it has the integrated power strip there, and it also has a light, so that's awesome. So anyway, we're almost done. And here is the workbench, probably months later. You've seen all my X-Max videos already, but here is the Harbor Freight Workbench in all of its glory. I certainly have used it, and here's my kind of unbiased review here. Certainly the top of it could be better quality. I mean, I've already scratched it with some pretty, not very hard pounding or anything like that. This is just really just an X-Acto knife that did that. But overall, it's a great workbench, especially for the price. Certainly it got lots of heavy tools in here, got all the nice storage down below, up top, and I love the fact that it has a light. But highly recommended for $100. Awesome workbench from Harbor Freight. Go ahead and pick one up if you need a workbench. But this has been Scott with GReviewz. Thanks so much for watching. Please like the video and give us a subscribe for more great content. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.